See this problem. Let y equal to n square and n is belongs to natural number is a subset of natural number. Consider the function f is a function from natural number to y, and what is a y here? Y means they defined already here. Okay, as f of n equal to n square. Show that f is invertible and find the inverse of f. So we have two methods. First, have to find the, okay, I'm doing the both the method. First, have to find the g composition of f and f composition of g. Both will get the identity function. Otherwise, we have to show that another method is the given function is 1 1 and onto. The given function is 1 1 and onto. Then also it is the then only that is also it is a bijective function, means its inverse is exist. Now to see here. First one they given that what is the f of n value, they given n square. Okay, but we have the definition is f of n equal to y. Is it right? Now what is f of n value? N square equal to y. Then what is n value? Root of y. Yes, means you get the plus or minus, but you will taken the only positive value. Why I am taking the positive y value? What is the y value? Have to observe that your only natural number, and that is also natural, means you will get the only positive natural number, means there is no negative values. So that's why I am taking the positive value. Now n I am taking only positive. Now here n means I will take that this is nothing but g of y equal to root of y. Okay, now g composition f of, what is the f of value here? N. Now our answer should be get the n. How to get this one? See, g f of n. Now g of, what is the f of n value? F of n value is nothing but n square. Otherwise they given here also. So it is a n square. Now g of, sorry, now g of n square, this can be written as g of t, all right. Okay, what is where t equal to n square, where n square is replaced by t. Now g of t means in place of y, what is that here? T means this one have to consider that one. G of y equal to root y. Now in place of y it is t, so it's nothing but root t. Now root t means what is the t value? N square. So square root and square get cancelled, get the n. Yes, similarly, so now f composition of g of y also get the answer is y. Have to prove that f of g of y. Now f of, what is the g of y value? G of y value is nothing but root y. So root, okay, root y. Okay, now this can be written as f of p. Now f of, now f of p means this one have to compare to the this value. So you will get the what where p equal to, what is that? Where p equal to root y. Okay, what is the p value? F of p value is nothing but p square. So what is the p value? Root y whole square. Now square root and square get cancelled. What is the answer? Y. Therefore, what is the conclusion? F is inverse function. F is inverse function. That is f inverse equal to g. What is the f inverse? What is the f inverse value? Is g. What is the g of y value? Root y. Or f equal to root x. F inverse equal to. So these are required answer. So these are one method. Or another method. Another method means I have to prove that f is 1 1 and onto, means f is bijective function, then it will be inverse function. F is 1 1 means, now I have to see this one here. For every n1 and n2 belongs to natural number, that is a domain. Okay, now f of n1 equal to f of n2. What is f of n value? n1 square equal to n2 square. Now n1 equal to plus or minus n2 will get, means square root will get, otherwise you can write. Okay. Now n1 equal to root of n2 square. Now n1 equal to this square root and square get cancelled. What is the answer? N2. But here we are not getting the negative value. Why? Because here in the getting that n value is nothing but the domain here. N1 and n2, what is that? Natural number. We taken only n2, but we are not taken minus. Why? Because it is a natural number. There is no negative number. Therefore, very clearly, f is 1, 1. So in the examination also, you can do the G composition of F or F composition of G. You can prove this method. Otherwise, you can go this method also fine. Which method is easy to you, you can go that method. So F is 1, 1. Next, start to prove that is a bijective. So on to this is a 1, 1. F is 1, 1. Okay. Next is on to. So on to means f of n equal to y. What is the f of n value? N square. N square equal to y. What is the n value? Root y. This root y means again we'll get the positive value. Why? Because what is their codomain? Codomain is the what? Y. Y means what? N square is a natural number only. Again it is. Is it right? So now you're not taking the negative value. Now I'll consider again. Consider. So f of n equal to y. What is f of n value? N square equal to y. What is the n value? Got it here. You have to substitute here. Root y whole square equal to y. Here square get cancelled. The answer is y equal to y. Therefore, f is on 2. Therefore, that is f is bijective. Okay, f is on 2 and f is bijective means f inverse is f inverse is exist. Therefore, f inverse of x equal to root x. Yes, please note down. I move to the next slide. So in the examination, you can do it any one of the method also. Fine, you can consider both the answer is right. So you can go to, if you want, you can go do the G composition of F R and F composition of G. These are one method. You have to prove both the method. Then only it is a one means it is a bijective and inverses exist. Otherwise, you can prove it. It is 1, 1 and on 2. That is also fine. Every bijective function is inverse is exist. In case the given function is inverse means it is obviously bijective. Vice versa. Now to see the next problem, let f dash or f it is natural number to real number be a function. If they given the f dash, don't get confused, it is f only. F of x equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Show that f is a natural number to s, where s is a range of f is invertible. Find the inverse of f. Okay. Now to see f of x equal to, they given that f of x equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Now this one write as f of x equal to what formula it is? Y. What is f of x value? 4x square plus 12x plus 15 equal to y. Now I want the x value. 4x square plus 12x plus 15 minus y equal to 0. This is nothing but the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c. What is your a value? A is nothing but 4, b is nothing but 12, and c is nothing but 15 minus y. What is the formula? X equal to minus b. Minus b means minus 12 plus or minus. Okay. B square means 12 square minus 4. What is a value? 4 and C value is 15 minus Y. Okay, now divided by 2A means 2A into A value is 4. Now X equal to minus 12 plus or minus 12 square means 144. Okay, and what about the 4 into 4 16, 16 to 5 16 into 15, sorry, so 240 minus into minus plus 16Y divided by 8. So X equal to, what is one, minus 12 plus or minus 16Y minus 240 minus 144. What is the value? 96. Yes, divided by 8. So 96 is divisible by 16. Yes, 96. Yes, 96 can be written as 16 to 6. 16 will write as it is. 96 will write as 16 into 6 divided by 8. Here X equal to minus 12 plus or minus. Here can take the 16 is common. If you take the 16 is common here, what is the 16? Take out some is 4. So what about here? Y minus 6 divided by 8. Now X equal to minus 12. Here also take the again 4 is common. Minus, I'll take 4 is common. Minus 3 plus Y minus 6 plus or minus divided by 8. Okay. So 4 one time, 4 2 times. So what will get here? X here. So minus 3 plus root y minus 6 by 2 and x equal to minus 3 minus root y minus 6 by 2. Now to observe here, this term I'm going to ignore, neglect this one. Why I'm neglecting? Here is a limit over the 2. Here minus 3, here also minus 3. What is the whole quantity? Is nothing but negative quantity. This negative quantity is not belongs to natural number in the domain. Yes, minus 3 and minus that quantity. So that entire quantity is always negative quantity. That negative quantity does not belongs to the natural number. So now I have to consider only this one. Okay, this one is x value is nothing but you can write as g of y equal to minus 3 plus root of y minus 6 divided by 2. So this is a g of y value. Yes, this is a g of y. Now you got the f of x and g of y value. Now to find the g composition of x, g composition of f and f composition of g. Please take screenshot of this one because I move to the next slide. We will continue the next slide. Okay, move to the next slide. Now f of x equal to what is f of x? 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Okay, I'm doing the continuation part. And g of y value equal to minus 3 plus root y minus 6 by 2. So this is the value. Now I have to find out that g composition f of f is associated with what? X. So you can take here x. Now g of f of x. Now g of, what is the f of x value? 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Now this can be written as g of t, where t equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Now what is the g of t value? In place of it is a t. Now this can be written as minus 3 plus root of y minus 6, sorry, t minus 6 divided by 2. Now minus 3 plus, what is the t value? Now to substitute the t value, 4x square plus 12x plus 15 minus 6. This minus 6 as it is. What is the t value? To substitute the t value only. And whole divided by 2. Now minus 3 plus 4x square as it is, 12x as it is, 15 minus 6 means my plus 9 divided by 2. Now this can be done as minus 3 plus, this whole thing can be done as 2x plus 3 whole square. Can I write? If you write the 2x plus 3 whole square means what about this one? 4x square, look at the first term, plus 3 square means last term. 2ab, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3 means yes. These are right. You can factor, get the same answer. Now square and square root get cancelled. What will get? Minus 3 plus 2x plus 3 divided by 2. So this 3 get cancelled, get the 2x by 2, 2 will get, answer is x. Yes. So g composition of f of x equal to, will get the answer is x. Yes. Now we got one, we have to prove that is one condition. Next, f composition g of x, we have to prove that. F of g of x. Now f of, what is the g of x value? Minus 3 plus y minus 6 by 2. Now this can be done as f of, this whole quantity will be replaced by p. Okay, where p equal to minus 3 plus root y minus 6 by 2. Now what is the f of p value? Compare this one is nothing but 4 p square plus 12p plus 15. After solving, we'll get the answer is y. Now 4. What is the p value? Minus 3 plus root y minus 6 by 2 whole square plus 12. What is the p value? Minus 3 y minus 6, so to square root by 2 plus 15. Now to simplify this one, 4. If squaring on both sides means what about in the denominator is 4. Okay. This one have to consider the a minus b. A value is minus 3. B value is this entire quantity square root. A value means a square means minus 3 square. Minus 3 square means 9 plus b square means y minus 6 plus 2ab plus 2ab means here will get the minus 2 into 3 means 6 root y minus 6. Here plus 2 one time, 2 6 time. 6 into 3 plus into minus minus 18. So plus into 6 root y minus 6 plus 15. Now here 4 get cancel. Yes, 4 get cancel. Here what is the remaining here? So 9 plus y minus 6 plus, sorry, not plus, it is minus 6 root y minus 6. Here minus 18 plus 6 root of y minus 6 plus 15. Now this term get cancelled. Yes. And what about the next one here? Minus, okay. 9 minus 6, what is the value? 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, what is the value? Check this one. Okay, 9 minus 6 means 3. 3 plus 3 is 9, and 9 plus 18 means what would this one? You get the 15. Okay, I'll put this one. Y plus 9 minus 6 minus 18 plus 15. Okay, now I have to add this one. Y minus 6 and minus 18. What is the value? It is minus 24. Yes, I'm adding positive value or negative value. So minus 6 minus 18. What is the value? Minus 24. And here plus 24. So this term get cancelled. Get the answer is y. So therefore, f combination of g of x equal to what? Sorry, y equal to y. Now we proved that f combination of g and g combination of x, we got the both value. Now therefore, f inverse exist. That is f inverse equal to g. What is the f inverse? What is the g value? G value here is there. Minus 3 plus root y minus 6 by 2. So this is a required answer. Okay, I'll be explain once again. So according to the f of x and g of y value, first how to find the f of x value already they given, g of y value how to find out using the quadratic equation. After that, how to find the g composition of x, g composition of f of x, and f composition g of x. Both have to find out. After that, you'll get the required answer. So this is a method. Yes, anybody have any doubt, please have to raise your hand. I'm giving to the chance to talk here. Okay, move to the next slide. Leela Aditya. Okay. Yes, Leela Aditya, you can talk.
Sir, no, sir. I just told you to. You can move the slides, sir. That's why.
Okay. Okay, see the next problem. Consider f is a function from natural number to natural number, and g is a function from natural number to natural number, and h is a function from natural number to real number, defined as f of x equal to 2x and g of value is 3y plus 4, h of z equal to sin z for every x, y, z is belongs to natural number, and show that h composition g composition of f equal to h of composition of g of f. Now, first I'll prove this one. First one is h composition g of f. Okay. Now always keep it as it is. Now what is the g? This one will write as g of f of x. Now h of what is the g? I'll keep it as it is. What is the f of x value? F of x will be given 2x. Now h of I'll write as g composition 2x. In place of y, it is a 2x. I have to substitute in that here. G of y value, wherever y is there, I have to substitute 2x. So it is 3, 2x plus 4. So this is nothing but h of 6x plus 4. Now here I have to substitute here next. Wherever the h is there, sorry, wherever the z is there, I have to substitute this whole quantity. You substitute this whole quantity, this can be done as if you want, you can write. Okay, wherever h is there, I have to substitute this value, not h, it is a z. So now sine of 6x plus 4. Now you got this is the answer. Next, h composition g. Okay, of f. Now this can be done as h of g of f of x. Now this can be done as h of g. What is the f of x value? F of x value is nothing but 2x. Okay. Next, before that, I have to prove this one. Is it right? Okay, I'll do it in another method. Okay, both methods are same. Now h of g of 2x. Now h of, what is a g of 2x? G of 2x means you can write here 3 2x plus 4. Now this can be written as 6x plus 4. After that, sine of 6x plus 4. So we got the both answer is same. Therefore, what is the conclusion? H composition G composition of F equal to H composition G of F. Please note down. I move to the next slide. Okay, now we will come to the we came to the exercise 1.3. F is a function from 1, 3, 4 to 1 to 5, and G is a function from 1 to 5 to 1, 3 given by. Okay, F value is given, G value also is given. How to find the function? Okay, G composition F. Okay, G composition F means F is a function from which side to which side? First, I have to take F is 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. Yes. Next, G is a function from 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3. So these two are same. So whatever the G composition of F value is possible, 1, 3, 4 to 1, 3. So I have to substitute 1, 3, 4 and your answer will get the 1, 3 only answer. Now G composition of F of 1, first element. G of F of 1, that is G of, what is the F of 1 value? Here is the F of 1 value. When you substitute 1 value, what is the answer? 2. What is the G of 2 value? G of 2 value is 3. Okay. Next, G composition. 1 is finished. Next 3. Now G of F of 3. Now G of, what is the F of 3 value? F of, here F is there 3 value. What is the F of 3 value? 5. What is the G of 5 value? 1. Next, G composition. 3 is finished. Next 4. G of F of 4. G of, what is the F of 4 value? F of 4 value is 1. What is the G of 1 value? G of 1 value is 3. So our answer I told already, we'll get the answer is always 1 and 3. So this is the required answer. Please note down. Next time move to the next slide. Find G composition of F and F composition of G if. So in this problem, how to see this one? F is a function from which set to which set they are not given, and G also which function to which function they are not given. Whenever they are not given means it is understood F is a function from real number to real number, and G also function from real number to real number. Whenever they are not given the function from which set to which set, in that case I have to understood that always F and G is a both function from real number to real number. Now, okay, here two problem is there. Out of two problems, I'll solve only one problem. One problem you can take homework. Okay, we solve the first one. Second one you can take homework. Okay, now G composition F of X. I'm doing the first one. G composition of G of F of X. Now G of, what is the F of X value? Mod X. Okay. Now G of mod of X means this G value, I have to see this one. In place of X what? Mod X. Wherever X is, I have to substitute mod X. So mod of Y. So this is the answer. Next, F composition of G. F combination of g of x means f of g of x, f as it is. What is the g of x value? 5x, sorry, mod of 5x minus 2. Now, in the f of x value, wherever x is, you have to substitute this value. Otherwise, you are getting confused. You can write this one also. So you can substitute directly. Otherwise, you can take f of p, where p equal to mod 5x minus 2. Now, what is this one? Sorry, here only, right? F of, what is the p value? F of p value is mod p. F of p. What is f of p value? Is mod p. What is the mod as it is? What is the p value? Again, mod 5x minus 2. Okay, if you substitute the mod both time, 2 times also same thing. So 5x minus 2. These are required answer. Can do it the second problem also here only. We have the time. Okay, I'm doing here only second problem also. Now, second problem, how to see this one? G composition f of x. G of f of x. G of, what is f of x value? 8x cube. Now this one write as g of t. What is the t here? Where t equal to 8x cube. Now this one write as, what is the g of t value? T to the power 1 by 3. What is the t value? 8x cube to the power 1 by 3. So this can be done as 2x cube whole cube 1 by 3. Okay. Now here 2 cube. So this one write as 2x whole cube to the power 1 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. What is the answer? 2x. Okay, next, f composition of g of x. Now f of g of x, f of, what is the g of x value? G of x value in the second problem is x to the power 1 by 3. Now this one that has f of p, where p equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Now what is the f of p value? 8 p cube. Okay, now 8, what is the p value? P value is 1 by, sorry, x to the power 1 by 3. So now this 3 get cancelled. What is the answer? 8x. So these are required answer. Please note down.